Assalamu alaikum, this is Sir Arshad and today I'm going to teach you a new topic, past perfect. And you know very well the last time we have completed present perfect with a few applications, and I hope that you must have got understood that topic. Okay, so the today and topic is past perfect, and you guys must be thinking what is the structure of past perfect. So right now I'm going to let you know the structure of past perfect, which is the first of all you have to write subject plus and had and plus third form of the verb and plus object. Okay, and it is the formula of affirmative. So right now actually I'm teaching you a past perfect affirmative sentences in which we have only one helping verb had. Okay, subject plus had, because actually we are still in perfect. Perfect means third form of the verb then object. Okay, so right now I'm going to give you a few examples so that you could understand. So here examples. And example number one, and for example I had talked to my friends. And I had talked to my friends means मैं अपने दोस्त से बात कर चुका था. Number two, we had recited the Holy Quran. We had recited the Holy Quran. हम कुरान पाक की तिलावत कर चुके थे. Number three, you had taught me English. You had taught me English. तुम मुझे इंग्लिश पढ़ा चुके थे. And she had done home chores. वो घर के काम कर चुकी थी. Number five, he had watered the plants. And he had watered the plants. वो पौधों में पानी दे चुका था. So the guys actually there are 5 examples which I gave you right now. So I'm going to let you know once again that today we have started the topic past perfect, and I'm going to make you understand there is a structure. आपको समझाने के लिए एक structure है मेरे पास, and the structure is subject plus had third form of the verb and plus object, and it's an affirmative sentences. Okay. So right after that, actually I have written over here 5 examples for you people so that you could understand, and you are going to make 1000 sentences by using this structure. And the example number 1 is I had talked to my friends. मैं अपने दोस्त से बात कर चुका था. We had recited the Holy Quran. हम कुरान पाक की तिलावत कर चुके थे. And you had taught me English. तुम मुझे इंग्लिश पढ़ा चुके थे. She had done home chores. वो घर का काम कर चुकी थी. So here written over here home chores. So home chores mean domestic work. Okay. And he had watered the plants. वो पौधों को पानी दे चुका था. And I hope that this video is very interesting, and now actually you must have got this topic today. So inshallah ta'ala I'm going to come to you with a new topic, which is going to be past perfect negative sentences. So right now I would like to say Allah Hafiz.